Probably you could talk about your character in the script that really attracted you.
I think for me, character is second. For me, what really drew me to the film is the fact that a director wants to tell this story, and I want to be a part of that journey to be able to tell that story. The thing is with Homi, he's so sure of what he's doing that you start believing in his vision. Say.
No, sir.
And I think he narrated it to me at a time when I was looking for something slightly different from what I've always done. And what I found the most challenging, like I said earlier, was to be able to perform in English. It's a very different feeling. And yeah. But most importantly, I don't think any of us thought about it so much. He narrated, I liked it, he was ready to produce it, and we went ahead with it. I don't think any of us have thought through it so much.
If I can just add to it without, I think what's nice is it's a very simple story, but the tonality that he's selected and the interpretation that he has makes it unique. If he tells the story in 5 lines, it might seem like a very simple story, but he's gone about telling it in a very, his own personal, unique way. He's gone for that, and I think that's what is nice about it. That's what I like personally about it. So the language is, beyond a point, the language is not something that is, ये नया है. It's not only the language कि हमने English में की film इसलिए नई picture है. It is the way he's telling the story is new, and the way the characters are etched out, that is what is new in the simple story. They know about the remuneration, about your dates. Are they managing your career also?
When am I starting the film? What is my start date? I have no idea. आपको ज़्यादा पता है? आपको किसने बताया? हाँ? पढ़ा? किसने लिखा? It's not true. I think when you're making a film, it's the process of making the film and the kind of hard work and effort that goes into making a film. I don't think any of us actually sit down and say, oh, I'm going to give 31.5 days for this film. Sometimes you finish earlier, sometimes it takes longer to complete a film. I think the aim and the mission is to complete the film, you know, and to make a good film. I think that's what we all aim to do. It's not the number of days.
Because same time, you know, like जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप कोकन से बिलिंग करते हैं, who's the design your clothes? Is there input for your side? आपने जैसे कहा कि आप कोकन से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो आपकी डिजाइन कितना input था आपके clothes में?
अभी भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
कपड़ों के कपड़े हैं, कौन आपके जो clothes है, किसने डिजाइन किया और कितना input था?
For which film?
This film, because it belongs
for Finding Fanny. Anaita.
I like how you pointed towards Homi and said Anaita.
Dinesh,
I work with her on almost everything that I can, and with Finding Fanny, I think it was a given. There was no way that anyone else was going to do it, and I think she's done a fantastic job.
Dinesh, here.
Deepika and Arjun.
Dinesh.
Hello. Deepika, Arjun.
Dinesh,
this is the last question for the evening.
You've produced movies like Cocktail, and now, you know, this movie, which is very international. Probably you could share some experience of, you know, producing the film like this.
Actually, the first film we made, and that also Homi directed, was a film called Being Cyrus. So I think for us, it's very important to find a story and then back the director to make it in the best possible manner. So what's interesting, like Arjun said, the story